चलो, India is a developing country but with huge depths. In your opinion, expenditure on which of the following should be controlled? A. Defense. B. Health. C. Infrastructure. I would repeat my topic. India is a developing country but with huge depths. In your opinion, expenditure on which of the following should be reduced? A. Defense. B. Health. C. Infrastructure sector. Please start.
As I believe that we can reduce our expenditure by reducing investment in defense, because defense budget of India is the most.
But I believe that India is continuously investing in towards the infrastructure project. As the gentleman just number 1 said that the India is investing more towards the defense system, but defense sector. But the overall defense sector, the overall GDP money that the defense sector requires is about the some percent of the GDP, but that is currently low. So I think that India is more investing towards the infrastructure. Like the India has previously constructed the Sardar Vallabhbhai statues that taken a huge amount of money. So I think that India can save money from there and can invest in defense sector, because the defense sector of India is not that much strong as compared to the various other countries just like China, USA and Russia. So I think that India is investing more in infrastructure as comparison to other sectors. That the number of the hospitals that we are continuously constructing in the different part of the country, as recently we are also just as the teachers in the morning taught us that about the Nicobar project. So we are not only constructing the what we say port and the airports in the Andaman, we are also constructing the complexes. So we are seeing that the India is more investing about 70,000 crore of the fund has been provided for the Nicobar project. So this shows that the India's investment toward the infrastructure is more as comparison to that of other sectors. So I think that India should reduce that 50,000 crore defense equipment to the other countries. This shows that the defense sector of the India are self-dependent. And also, as the chest number 1 is saying that the India import the number of defense equipment from the other country like Russia. But India is now shifting toward the indigenous product. Like we have constructed the number of the submarines as well as the ships for the Indian Navy. We have made the drones.
If you want submarine, if you want ships, you need infrastructure, and for that infrastructure you have to make it over. Like as we are making Chabahar ports, and also we are making Gandhar ports, and also we are developing so many relationships with other countries to make our infrastructure too much high levels. If you see over that in India there are so many highways also developed by NHAI, and also the BRO is developing our Arunachal Pradesh.
Gentlemen, I agree with you that infrastructure is one of the most important requirement of the India, but in comparison to other sectors like the defense as well as our medical sector, we are investing too much in the infrastructure. Like our defense, the amount of money that we are investing in the defense sector is not too much, because we are making the defense sector self-independent. Self-dependent means our DRDO is making the number of the defense equipment by their own. So we do not have to invest so much, but we are continuously making the road. Like recently we have constructed the world's highest bridge, the Chenab Bridge in Jammu and Kashmir. So I think that is not so much important for India. India can save money from there.
And Chenab Bridge is very important for us, because as we know that it reaches from POK to Jammu and Kashmir. So it makes a major impact over there, because as we know that India is a very diplomatic country. So we can see over that we need that POK to connect with our Jammu and Kashmir border.
Very well said,
and
my
also,
friend.
gentlemen, you can see over that.
We
if
can't
you see
cut
the
down
defense budget over there,
we can't
India
cut down
is
on defense budget.
spending
We
too
can
much
cut
on
down
pensions.
We can cut down on the high
army personnel. But there is a difference over there. That's why we have to control our army budget, of defense budget.
Gentlemen, as you are saying that we have to control our army budget, but we know that the government has launched the Agnipath scheme, in which the government is any candidate has to provide only the service of 4 years. Means that the government also pay them for only 4 years. After that, the government will pay them 10 to 12 lakh rupees, and that's it. But before that, the number means any Jawans will be serving for 15 years. Means that they would get the salary for 15 years, and after that they would also get the pensions. Means by launching the Agnipath scheme, the government has reduced the budget that the government was investing in the defense sector. So I think that now the Indian government is more investing toward the infrastructure, because we can see that the government has launched the number of the policy like the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana. After that, Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana, in which the government is providing the homes as well as the Swachh Bharat Mission, in which the government is constructing the number of the toilets and bathrooms in the village. So all these things are the development of the infrastructure, and all these things are required ample amount of money. So I think that the investment of government in infrastructure is more as compared to all other sectors.
Very well said, my friend. To cut down the expenditure in healthcare sector, we can cut down the imports that we buy from other countries, such as high cost drugs, and we can manufacture them in India. That will reduce our expenditure on healthcare sector.
So by improving infrastructure, we can actually create employment opportunities that will eventually, if we see in recent time, government schemes like Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Yojana, that requires like over 1,000 crore rupees money. So if we control over the healthcare system and invest into the infrastructure, we can eventually stabilize the system of the nation, and we can also, if we invest in infrastructure, we can enhance our efficiency of defense.
Gentlemen, as the chess number 18 is saying that we are investing more in the medicals, means our medical.
अब डिफेंस एग्जाम क्रैक करना हुआ और भी आसान, त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी लेकर आए हैं बिल्कुल ही एडवांस लर्निंग ऐप। तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें और स्टार्ट करें अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस।